Can you believe these mini braids are already 4 weeks old? Just look at the growth. My hair is thriving. It's healthy, shining, and has grown so much without breaking. If you've been wondering how to keep your hair flourishing while it's in protective styles, then you are in the right place. Keep watching because I'm about to show you exactly what helped my hair stay healthy and beautiful. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time passing by, thank you so much for clicking on this particular video. And if you want to grow your hair, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you always be notified anytime I upload a new video. So in this particular video, we are doing a rinse out. Yes, with this particular DIY, we are going to rinse it out. Guys, so the first ingredient I'll be using for this particular video is Lipton. You can call it tea, but this is Lipton, popularly known on the market. So if you go out and you need some of this black tea, you should go for Lipton. So in this video, I'm going to tell you why I'm using this as a rinse out and not a leave-in. So guys, do not go anywhere. Stay with me on this particular video to the end so that you know the kind of DIYs that you can use for your leave-in and those that you will be using for your rinse out. Leptin helps to reduce shedding and breakages due to the caffeine in it. Leptin, which is also known as the black tea, they help to interact with the hair root, and then it slows down excessive shedding and then breakages. It also helps to stimulate growth by encouraging healthy cell rejuvenation. Leptin has anti-inflammatory properties that calm a dry, irritated scalp and then help to soothe the scalp. It also darkens and then adds shine to the hair. My next ingredient is going to be coffee, and I'm using the brand from Nescafe. Coffee promotes growth by stimulating blood circulation in the scalp because of the caffeine present in the coffee. Bear in mind that leptin also contains a little bit of caffeine, so two caffeines are adding up together in this particular DIY to make a powerful hair rinse tea. This caffeine delivers vital nutrients to the follicles and acts as a natural stimulant that blocks the effect of hair thinning hormones. Coffee also reduces breakages because it is rich in antioxidants. It also strengthens the hair shaft and helps to reduce breathiness, minimize hair fall, and smooth out frizz. It also enhances shine and color due to its natural pigments. So since coffee also enhances shine and then it adds color to the hair, it helps to reduce graying. Now after you have added these two ingredients together, you will put your hot water on it and then you will leave this on for about 15 to 30 minutes covered. Make sure you always put this in a tight lid container where you'll be able to cover it for the ingredient to infuse into the water. So after 15 minutes, this is how my tea turned out to be. Bear in mind that these two ingredients are powerful dry ingredients you can actually use for your hair, but it helps to strengthen your hair very well. It helps to give your hair that thickness, like it makes your hair very thick, and it makes your strands very strong. So it strengthens your strands. So in as much as these ingredients are drying and they can actually dry your natural hair, they really help in growing thick natural hair. They help to strengthen your hair, and this helps to reduce hair breakages, because if your strands are strong enough, your hair, the possibility of your hair going to break is very, very low. So one of the reason why I'm using this as a rinse is because of the drying nature of these two ingredients. So now after the 15 minutes, I'm going to pour this in my spray container for application. In every week, at least I wash my braids once in every week. Sometimes it's one and some days week. Yeah, so 1.5 weeks. Then I wash my braids because this is a protective style and I always want to keep it very clean, healthy, so that it will also prevent dryness, breakages, and the dullness to the hair. So I washed this hair mostly in every week. I do this, and if I want to wash my hair, I try to do a DIY that is suitable for the hair at the moment. So instead of using this DIY as a leave-in, and this is going to leave my hair very, very dry, and it can also lead to breakages, I prefer to use this DIY as a rinse out. So when I rinse this out, I know I am following up with conditioning, deep conditioning, and this is my 4th week in this mini braid. So after rinsing this particular juice for my hair, I'm going to follow up with a hair mask. I'm going to make a hair mask after rinsing this out before I can go ahead and then condition. My hair is already shampooed, so I just need to add these ingredients to it. So after washing this off, I'm going to be doing a hair mask, and then I follow up with conditioning. So I will be dropping the video on how I make a suitable hair mask for this particular braid. So if you want to protect your mini braids, you have braids or you have twists on your hair and you want to protect it, you don't want it to be too dry, you don't want it to be too dull, like you want to maintain the color, you want to maintain the shine, you want to do that, you want to do that as if the hair is on it without any protective style, then you should start incorporating this kind of DIYs to your hair, because this DIY is going to strengthen your root, it is going to add shine to your hair, and it's going to brighten your hair, your strands, everything is going to make your hair look very, very healthy and very beautiful. So after you do this, you always have to make sure that you're going to rinse it out, because this is going to leave your hair very, very dry. Even after spraying this on your hair, you can even feel it within your hair strands that your hair is becoming dry. So it doesn't matter how much after how much you're going to moisturize this on your hair, this is too strong to stay in your hair, so you need to rinse this out. So now after spread this on the strands, on the root, and on on yes, on the strands, and then on the root of the hair, on the tip of the hair, sorry. And then after, massage your scalp very, very well. Massage it so that it can help with blood circulation in the hair. Guys, if you like the video, do not forget to give me a like, share this video, because a lot of people have been using DIYs and they do not know the right way to use it. Please do not store this in the fridge, because this is like a tea that you can drink. This is easy to make and there's no need for storing it, because I don't store this especially. So cover your hair for about 45 minutes to 1 hour and then wash this out. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please give me a like, share, and then subscribe.